The history of Belvneshpromservice, state-owned foreign trade unitary enterprise, dates back to 1991. From the date of its foundation, the enterprise has become one of the tools for the state to implement the policy of transition to the market economy in the field of foreign trade. Since that time, Belvneshpromservice has also been a member of the Belarusian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. In 2002, the company obtained special exporter status. During formation of the enterprise, the main export goods were armaments and military equipment produced in the former USSR. Nowadays, our company offers the most competitive at the world market of arms and armaments, state-of-the-art and unique products for the defense sector of the Republic of Belarus. At present, Belvneshpromservice offers a full range of services for the development, production, upgrade and repair of weapons, military and special equipment. It provides trained and economic cooperation in the export of military and dual-purpose products in order to meet the needs of the Air Force, air defense and ground forces of different countries. The enterprise currently carries out deliveries of the following equipment: the most advanced radars and electronic countermeasures assets, optical and optoelectronic products, special security equipment and means to counter terrorism. The company provides a wide range of services on development of military and dual-purpose products, sophisticated technologies and personnel training. Air Force equipment and armament. Aircraft and helicopters designed in the former USSR are successfully operated in the larger half of the world countries, today too. Reliability and combat effectiveness of the equipment have been proved by time, while different types of modernization of aircraft and helicopters essentially enhance their flight performance and combat capacities. The following deliveries and services are offered within this area of cooperation: services for repair and modernization of aircraft and helicopters, their component parts, equipment and systems that are performed at specialized aircraft repair enterprises, services for technical support during operation, and arrangement for reconditioning and repair of aircraft at the places of their deployment, Soviet-made combat and transport aircraft and helicopters, including overhauled and upgraded equipment, all types of pyrotechnics and aviation ammunition, airfield ground support equipment for aircraft, power supply and fueling assets, radio technical facilities for air traffic control, navigation and landing systems, hang gliders and medium-class unmanned air vehicles, equipment, spare parts and assemblies for aircraft, measuring and diagnostic tools, checkout equipment for operation and repair of aviation equipment, aircraft training systems for helicopter and aircraft crews and flight operation teams, airspace optoelectronic equipment and photogrammetric systems, weather equipment for airfields and meteorological instruments, services for arrangement of training of air crews and maintenance personnel using simulators, services for development and manufacture of aircraft training systems and equipment for training rooms, air defense equipment, radars and electronic countermeasures assets. Nowadays, zonal multi-level depth echeloned air defense missile systems are able to provide reliable protection of air borders, different areas and facilities from aerial attack assets, missiles and precision weapons. The systems can fulfill combat tasks in full, interacting with the other branches of the armed forces. AF and AD multi-level integrated control systems are offered for export within this area of cooperation, including air surveillance radars and automatic radar air object identification systems, automated stationary and mobile systems for radar data processing, decision-making support, fire control and communication systems, fire command post automation equipment for interaction between different levels of air defense, including aviation, air defense missile systems, gun and missile suites, as well as systems for development of innovative defense equipment or integration with existing military equipment of air defense groupings, Signal intelligence systems, active protection and jamming countermeasure systems for protection from precision weapons, including space communication and navigation systems. Services for development of software for simulation of combat operations to enable tactical and combat training. Mobile command posts and diesel-electric installations. Apart from that, the enterprise renders a wide range of services on repair, serial modernization of solid-state circuitry, and maintenance of air defense equipment. Belvneshpromservice offers the most successful Belarusian developments: system application software to control radars, laser optical and information systems of air defense and anti-missile defense, reconnaissance and electronic warfare assets. Solid-state circuitry radar stations made in Belarus using antenna feeder systems and phased array antennas. TV and radar optical systems, devices and modules, as well as optoelectronic equipment for automatic surveillance of the airspace. Airborne equipment for individual signal intelligence protection of the aircraft from precision radar-controlled weapons equipped with seekers of the surface-to-air and air-to-air types. Land forces equipment. The land forces have been and remain one of the main and most important branches in the armed forces worldwide. There is an old saying: the final victory is gained by the land forces. The recent military operations have demonstrated that superiority of the army is not achieved due to its personnel number, but the quality of the military equipment it is armed with and the effectiveness of the intelligence and control systems. The following deliveries are offered for export within this area of cooperation: optical and optoelectronic sights and accessories for modernization of small arms, new and modernized fire control systems of armored weapons, automated remote-controlled observation and firing weapon systems, automobile cross-country chassis of Volat and Mars on a wheelbase, installation of special equipment and heavy arms on them, trailers for transportation of armored equipment, services for arrangement for repair and modernization of armored equipment and weapons, specialized tools for repair, armored, missile, rocket and artillery armament and equipment of the Soviet production, engineering troops equipment, systems for them, components and spare parts, ordnance, mortar and small arms ammunition, anti-tank guided missiles and launchers, grenades, terrain mining means, simulators for the crews of armored vehicles and equipment, training services for the crew and operation, maintenance and repair of equipment, Pilot field simulator for the T-72B tank operator with a laser simulator of firing a guided missile, repair, modernization and delivery of ordnance and mortar systems, multiple rocket launcher systems and special purpose equipment for repair, training services of combat units and technical personnel on operation, maintenance and repair of the land forces equipment, telecommunication systems and means, analog and digital radio communication assets, checkup equipment for radar and chemical reconnaissance, diagnostics and tests of various electronic devices and equipment, mobile navigation and topographic systems using UAV, command staff and special vehicles of control posts from tactical to strategic level, special security and anti-terrorism equipment. The following items are offered for export within this area of cooperation: optical, collimator, television, night and thermal sights and aiming systems, night vision devices, binoculars and observation devices, laser rangefinders, target designators, illuminators and modules, information display systems and tools, individual equipment and armored protection gear, scanning and examination devices, mine-clearing gear and transportation of explosive devices, locking devices for radar proximity fuses, observation and alarm signal facilities for border control, radio monitoring and jamming equipment, services for training of the dog handlers and service dogs, software and hardware for data protection. Belvneshpromservice is one of the leading state-owned enterprises of the Republic of Belarus that are engaged in export and import of military designation products. It has all the necessary state licenses to sell armament, military hardware, equipment, their components, special processing equipment and materials. The enterprise enjoys a high reputation in the international market thanks to its more than 20 years' experience in foreign trade and professionalism of the company specialists. All the activities of the enterprise in relation to the military designation products are carried out under strict export control of the state, which ensures a high quality and level of responsibility in the implementation of foreign trade transactions. Belvneshpromservice is constantly expanding its traditionally formed amicable and mutually beneficial relations in the field of military and technical cooperation with foreign customers in order to strengthen the defense capability of states, their stability and national security. Belvneshpromservice is always open to new partnerships.